Mother, let's tend to the field today. The crops need attention.
Yes, my son, let's work together and make sure we have a good harvest.
By order of the law, all unruly people are to be taken to the mountain and abandoned. They are of no
The governance decree. We'll face this challenge together, my son. Mother, I'll take you to the mountain, but I'll make sure you can find your way.
My son, follow these streets to find your way back home.
of you to disobey my law. Bring me a rope made of rushes. If you fail, your face severe punishment.
My son, make a rope of twisted and straw and burn it on the windless night.
Mother, how did you think of this?
A rope made of ashes. I was wrong to underestimate the elderless. From now on, the elderless will be respected and valued.
Thank you, Governor. My mother and I can leave peace now.
My son, I'm proud of you for taking care of me.